it says natural tea tree oil. So I was never expecting that it could possibly not be natural tea tree oil, but it is actually sweet almond oil, sunflower seed oil, and tea tree oil is the last ingredient listed. So if you're ever buying any oil, it doesn't matter what oil you're buying, even if the branding looks this good to where you would not be thinking that there's anything else in it, I highly recommend checking the ingredients list. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kayla with Locswithkayla. Today I will be covering what we can use on our locks for moisture. So I get this question all the time, especially from clients that I take on myself, about what they can use to moisturize their locks when they start to feel dry or brittle, or just when they want some extra sheen. So I've compiled a list that I will give you 5 different products that you can use to moisturize your scalp or the shafts of your hair. So I want to start off by saying that the first product that I recommend, or product line I should say, is the Sisterlocks product line. Their herbal spray, moisture treatment, or reconstructor treatment could be wonderful for your hair depending on the condition or the state of your locks. Now, the next product that I would recommend, if you are not opting to use the Sisterlocks line of products, is rose water. Rose water is amazing for moisture. You can use it on your hair or your skin. I choose to do both. I actually have a witch hazel that is infused with rose water, and that's all I use on my skin. And for my hair, I spritz this on it maybe once a week. It can be more or less depending on the cuticle of your hair, if it's rougher or if it's smoother. But all around, rose water is a wonderful product. It is simply rose water, royal roses, and roses extract oil. So it's kind of hard to read and the screen isn't focusing. Either way, there's only 2 ingredients in this. You can actually make it yourself if you get some distilled water and organic rose petals and boil them down. The next product that I recommend for moisture is any type of oil that is complementary to your skin. I choose olive oil because I'm going to demonstrate what it looks like when I apply it to my skin. It's extremely smooth, does not leave any residues, and a little goes a long way with this. So it just glides. There's nothing creating a buildup or a lasting impression, I should say. I have no issue with sliding my hand across, which means that your locks won't have any issue with moving or finding placement. They won't get bunched together due to having something extraneous on your scalp or on your locks. So I'm not sure what oil would be complimentary for you. Long as it's not coconut oil at the beginning stages of your locks, you should be fine. If you choose for like a tea tree oil or a rosemary or a peppermint. But I'm actually going to demonstrate next what oil I would not recommend. You see how soft that is? It doesn't look like you can't see any indentations of where the oil starts or stops. So let me show you something that is the opposite of that. I purchased this from the beauty supply store. It says natural tea tree oil. And it was pretty expensive. It was actually $9 and it's in a dark glass. So I was just opted to think that, yeah, this is a quality product because and the way that it's branded. But I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand so you can see what we don't want out of an oil. You see how thick that is? It's blending in well because I have the olive oil as a base with it. So, you probably could use another oil to cut your oil if you find that it is thicker. Either way, this oil, when I purchased it, I did not look at the back of on the ingredients list because it says natural tea tree oil. So I was never expecting that it could possibly not be natural tea tree oil, but it is actually sweet almond oil, sunflower seed oil, and tea tree oil is the last ingredient listed. So if you're ever buying any oil, it doesn't matter what oil you're buying, even if the branding looks this good to where you would not be thinking that there's anything else in it, I highly recommend checking the ingredients list, because a lot of times they already cut these oils, kind of like how I used olive oil as my base because that's complementary to my hair. I found out that almond oil is not complementary, nor is sunflower oil, through use of this product, and started to develop buildup. So make sure you check that out before you purchase anything. And the last product that I would recommend for moisture, which is my go-to oil, I absolutely love this oil, I actually use it on my clients as a service, is Ooh Itchy Scalp. I should put the lid back on. This Ooh Itchy Scalp, I purchased from Amazon. A Loctician actually makes it. Her name is Phyllis. She has a website named Video Loctician. If you wanted to purchase more of her products, you can purchase them there. I will also include a link in the description box of this product on Amazon, as well as her website. I'm going to show you what this looks like. I want you to see just how it drops like water. And look how it glides. Again, like water. None of the other products that I put on my hand behave like this, which is why I absolutely love this product. It's so smooth. That was literally one drop. And if I rub it in, do you see how much it takes up? How that one drop takes up so much space. It is very light, extremely light. Like there's nothing left on my hand. If I keep rubbing it in, it just gets softer and softer. It smells amazing. And my hand is so moisturized. Like I didn't even realize how dry I was. But this oil is an oil blend. It has ingredients such as lavender, sage, lime, rosemary, lemongrass, watermelon seed, peppermint, metal foam, jojoba, and vitamin E. I highly recommend any of those oils that are listed on the back of this. The fact that you can find them all in one place in this bottle, I highly recommend this oil. Now, as a disclaimer, I should say, and I want to advise you all to know that moisture comes from us naturally within. And a reason that you may be feeling like your locks are moisture deprived are simply because they are dirty. So if you are to wash your locks every 5 to 7 days, you'll notice a natural luster that comes just from having a clean scalp. So I recommend doing that before you simply put any extra things in your locks. Definitely wash your hair, rinse, wash, and repeat, and then process it from there. A lot of these oils should be used fresh out of the shower. So right after you wash your hair, when your pores are still open, I would recommend applying these oils as a sealant to make sure that you don't lose any moisture and that your scalp or strands are not susceptible to any invading factors that you may not want. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe below. Also, feel free to comment in the comment section if you feel like there's anything that you would like for me to elaborate on, you have a question about, or you feel like I just simply didn't cover. Also, if you want to say hi, that's wonderful too. Thank you so much for watching once again. I can't wait to see you next week, and have a wonderful, blessed day.